How to create a blog on Wix for free. So in order to create a blog on Wix for free, what we could do is we need to head over and then just locate this blog button. If you do not have it yet, that must mean that you do not have the Wix blog installed into your website. So head over to apps and go to App Market and then install it from there. Now into your blog, you can head over to this post option, and then we can head over and then create a post into this section that will be published into our website. To do that, head over and click onto this create new post. Now into this, you can just choose language. I'll choose English and click onto this create post option. Into this part, you can add the title as well as the content of your blog. You can also use AI tools to generate a post, get post idea, or generate post outline. In this case, in order to make things easier, I'll generate a post. You can choose what this post is about. You can have in here topic. I'll put in here top 5 things you need as a cat owner. I'll choose that right there. Click on next. Using here the word count, the tone of voice, as well as numbers, images, as well as more preferences right here. I'll click on next right here, and you can choose the suggested titles. I'll choose this right there and click onto this create post. And then after that, this will create a post for me. So you can just wait for this to successfully load altogether. So right now, it has successfully created the post for us. Now the next thing to do is to just head over and publish it in order to add it to our website. And now you have now created a blog on Wix. So that's how you create a blog on Wix for free. I hope this video helped you out.